what's up? This is Reg and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be cleaning our sofa! Alam ko light gray talaga yan eh. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano magiging itsura. So of course, we borrowed itong Hyla na vacuum cleaner from our tita again because this is so expensive. So thank you tita for always lending us this vacuum. Okay, let's do this. So first step, ginamit actually pang wet to. Pero kasi gusto ko yung nozzle niya. Hindi ko naman, wag lang i-spray to. Wag lang hahawakan to. Tsaka wala naman siyang nakakonect na water there. So, ayan. So, kapag i-on, then, start na tayo ng dry cleaning. Kakabit. Baba. Ayan, sok-sok. Ayan, okay na. Okay na, nakabit na. Okay, and then, this one. Kailangan nakaganito. Ayun. Yes. I think, silyado na siya, no? Ganun. Okay. So, meron akong indoor dry na Ariel. Kasi, ayan, kita mo ang dumi ng part na yan. So, papascrub ko yan kay ate. There. Wet. Okay, let's check. Dahan-dahan. Doon sa kung saan ako nag-stay. Dumi niya. So, yan. Ito na, after. Ew! Yuck! Ate, kala ko ba nag-vacuum ka dito? Kasi yung mumura yung vacuum lang natin. Ew! Grabe, ganito pala yung kulay niya. Sa sobrang dumi din natin alam mo ano. So, hey guys, finally, it's a bit dry now. We put a fan there. And here, make it dry quickly. Ayan. So, pwede nang dumihan ulit. So, yeah, that's it. I hope it was satisfying and I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you!
Thank you for watching.